A great feature to use on the Bernina 880 is the feature called basting in the hoop. Now you find this feature when you're about ready to start embroidering. So you've pulled up your design, you've touched the needle and thread, and you reach the screen where your first color is about to stitch. So we're actually doing some T-tails right now with the sewingmastery.com logo on it. And I've decided to actually float the T-tail on my water-soluble mesh stabilizer. And we've actually been doing the pinpoint placement lesson. So my T-tail is actually in here super crooked on purpose. So we have realigned it to the exact point. But before stitching, this is a great way to, if you've got water-soluble stabilizer like I have here, is to create a little basting box. So hold it all in place. So your feature is found right here where the dotted square is. And your first option is to actually baste around the design. So however big that is, it will create a box or rectangle to match its exact size. If you touch it again though, you'll notice that the stitching line will now go around the perimeter of the hoop you have selected. So this is the oval hoop, so we'd be traveling around the entire oval part here, and then that way it would hold it. And you could actually do both. You could actually stitch the whole hoop, and then you could also stitch the actual smaller box too. These stitches are nice and long. They're easy to remove once you have finished embroidering. So you're not going to see those. Maybe a little steam press, a little water or steam or washing your item will actually kind of get rid of any holes that might still be appearing. But if you have something that is not hoopable, we think of collars or cuffs, we think of hats or mittens, anything that might be pre-made that's just not really hoopable. You could do this for a onesie. You know, as you get it all the way down there, it's really hard to hoop a really small item. But if you can get it to kind of stick to the stabilizer, a sticky stabilizer, a little 505 spray like I've done here, that's going to help hold it in place. But that basting box will give you one more level of security and be able to be stitched at any time and the size needed for your design or hoop.